Hello, everyone, and welcome to the big show. This is Investing in Trading Live, sponsored by Trading Academy. If you're a first-time listener, thank you for stopping by. My name is Josh Lilquist, and we are happy to have you with us today on this very humble season, not bah humbug, but humble season. It's this, once again, it's the most wonderful time of the year. I have my good friend and my good pal, Mr. Al Connickson, on the show here once again. How you doing today, Al?
You know what? I am doing fantastic. Looking forward to this coming year, 2024.
Are you looking forward to more singing by myself?
I'm not looking forward to any more singing. I hope that was it. Well, probably for this year.
Probably for this year, but you never
You know
know.
what? You know what? You have actually sung numerous times on this show. I haven't. So maybe next year I will, just enlighten people with a little bit of music from myself.
Maybe next year is the
stay
year.
stay tuned.
So next
This
year
could
is the
be
year you
interesting.
sing. Next year is the year I do not sing. And our listeners, stay with us for the whole hour. But that's what we're going to do. Instead of that, today, we're going to talk about the financial markets.
Great
because that is
idea.
what we are good at.
Yeah.
We talk about how they work, how they function, how us as retail investors, how we can take advantage of these markets. But you got to have the right strategies, the right techniques. We'll talk about those techniques and concepts here today on how to make smart investing decisions. Trading Academy on their 26th year, teaching people just like you how to trade, how to invest, whether you're brand new to the markets, don't know a stock from a rock, or you are a seasoned investor, but you're just looking for some consistent returns. That's what we're going to talk about here today, and that's what we do at Trading Academy. We have investing classes locally here. I'll give seats away to here in a little bit. But, Al, we've had it was actually a great year, we'll call it, in the markets, and it really was because of the last 3 months or so. I believe it was end of October till really the end of the year here. And almost all markets at all-time highs. The Dow at all-time highs hit that. The NASDAQ hit all-time highs. S&P's right at all-time highs again. So we're seeing the market chug along. The buy and hold strategy is back to break even, which is basically zero returns in the last couple of years. And we're going to discuss why that's not the best strategy moving forward. But we're also seeing phenomenal moves as this market has been going down certain weeks, down certain months. It's been going up certain weeks, up certain months, and just great volatility, which is exactly what we want to see, especially with other assets. When we talk about futures later on in the show, we'll talk about options on how to use those, especially in retirement accounts to protect those portfolios, but also to grow those at what you want them to do. So let's discuss that today. Before we get into some of those concepts and techniques, Al, we had another great week, obviously. I'm like a broken record. I say that every single week, but I say it even when it's up. I even say when it's down. It was kind of a slower week, but it just kind of chugged along onto the upside. What's your take on this last week of the year? It's New Year's resolutions time. I want to discuss that here in the second and third segment. Let's hear what you got to say.
Well, this week is oftentimes, I would say more often than not, is a good week in the market. It's what we call the Santa Claus rally. There's a lot of repositioning of portfolios. A lot of the portfolio managers are trying to, increase. It's like, for some people, it's like putting lipstick on a pig. They maybe didn't have that great a year, and so they're repositioning